Hello guys, welcome to my channel Is Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the cannot change startup sound in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your in the search box and type of power options. Click on edit power plan. Click on power options. Go to your choose what the power button do. Click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck turn on fast starter. Click on save button and close it. After doing this step, go to your speaker icon, right click, go to your sound settings. After doing this, scroll down and click on more sound settings. Go to your sounds and check it play sound Windows startup sound. Click on apply button and OK. Close it. Open any browser. Go to your search engine and type on startup sound changer. Now here is the first link is filehippo.com. Click on download startup sound changer. Click on download latest version for Windows. Click on save button. Download it completed. Open it. Click play to check a existing sound. Now click on the replace button to replace it. Now select a sound. Click on OK button. Now click on a play button to check it. Click on exit. Control close it. Go to start menu and restart your computer, and I am sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.